Yan, maligo na si Ma. Goodbye, Davao. Goodbye, Davao. Hello, Samal. Hi, Max. Hello, guys. Good evening. Yes, we are currently here sa barge and we are going to Samal Island. Maxi again. No one but Maxi. Safety first. I mean, we are now leaving the barge. We just arrived at Samal Island. Of course, Totz adventure. Good evening, guys. It's us again sa Totz Adventure. It's me, Hiro, and si Nettie. Ikaw ba naka-camera? So, actually, we've been driving around Samal Island looking for a place to stay. It's March 18 of 2017, just right after the celebration of Araw ng Davao sa Davao. So, we need a bit of a day to relax. And now, actually, kauban niya po naman si Max. Si Max.
Where are you, Max? I can see.
So, we were just talking na every time mag-visit ka sa places, gusto na muna nag-permanent ka. So, Max is part of our pack. So, nalimit si Totz Adventure with Nettie, Hiro, and with Max, of course. Aside lang siguro sa mga nag-i-indicate na lugar like board a plane. It's actually kami sa Cabanico El Mare. Thing is bawal ang pet. So pili na siya gustiyan. May pet allowed but hindi siya pwede isulod. So nato sila yung cages which is dili ko sa Philippines Max.
Makita na put me of other resorts. So hopefully namin makita na nice, comfortable, and clean. Mo din pinaka muna akong pinaka number one rule means you're comfortable. So, alam. Then, I don't know where we're going because since it's almost 3 to 5 months, nawala namin nakani diri because we want to travel outside na.
Wow! It's been a while, guys. It's been a while.
Okay, supposedly, dati we always go here every week.
Tama.
Pero we're searching for another place to share to you guys. Kaya we're doing this for you. Charot.
Someone's coming. Okay, good evening, guys. Oh my god, low-bat na ako ang camera. Currently namin karon sa Fernandez Beach Resort and yes, medyo wala nang good may choice mo nang gikuha na mo ang room na 1,700. Actually sa among rooms you can see dako siya spacious. Actually 1,700 na room nila is actually good for 4 persons. So karon is naami 3 sa sulod. As you can see, na double deck. Baka may mumu dira matulog mamaya. Si Tot and si Max is allowed. Hi Max! Thank God you're allowed. And yes, let us check the CR and of course not the aircon. Let's check the CR. Spacious din. Pwede ka magdula-dula diri og taga-anay. And there is a boutique sa CR. It's common. It's common sa mga beach resort and everything. Siguro papaserte na sa nila. We are going outside. We are going to eat. We are going to look for a place para makakaon. And yes, of course, uban pa naman si Max. So guys, we'll be back to you kay mamaya mag-night swimming may kauban si Max.
It's already 8:30 in the evening and our stomach hurts.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me.
sa Unreal Seafood House. So currently naroon ang pag-sunset. So far, dili naman tayo ng among dinner. Kasi bago na sila na okay man camera sa Hello guys, good morning to you guys. It's already 7 a.m. in the morning and we just woke up. Yes, currently naaga kami dito sa Totz and I are going to get breakfast with Max, of course. So yun guys, I will be back to you. There's Totski. We've been here for a lot of times. And then there's the pool. Okay, I hope the kitchen is open. Okay. What's that? Yan, maligo na si Ma. Tignan kaya. Ngayon na si Ma.
Yanahan kayo.
Hi guys, good morning. We are done with our beachside breakfast. It's a simple hot dog and egg, and a coke and a mango float, and we are sold. As of now, we are taking a mango float because dili siya mukhaon sa iyang food na fruity meat, banana, dili mukhaon og dog food. Ang gusto niya man food. Aslong. Yan. And yes, wala mi naligo kay medyo lubog kay ang tubig. We doesn't like lubog na water. And yes, look at Totz. Si Totz ang naligo. Good morning guys. It's finally 10 a.m. in the morning. Here's the Fernandez Beach Resort dito sa Samal Island. As of now, we are about to leave the resort, and still, actually, the resort is not that bad, not that good either. Okay lang siya. Medyo pricey ang among room na nakuha karon because good for 4 na lang ang available. So we have to take it for the night kagabi. Kaya basig mo dan may room. Wali may stayhan diri sa Samal. So yun nga, nag suri-suroy gamay, tapos si Max ato ang giligo og dagat. Si Max, which is yun nga, pinaka-hate gid niya ang water, but we've seen him enjoy. Tapos si Totz actually
Ding dong. Ding dong.
ding dong.
Tuman may pang we're on diet.
Nga ay kapobrik karon, we're on diet. So yun guys, please
Nagtana akong cookies guys.
huwag mo mangganik ka ni bulad.
Ikaw. Ikaw, look. Ikaw. Say something.
Tan naman daan. Tan naman daan akong kupis.
We will going to Ice Giant later and
Librehon ko niya na pod.
No.
Actually, siya good ang tanan ni sa tawag na ni organize as in na shock yun ko ha. As in librehon ko ni mutot ko wala ba kapila ni ang nagastuan ni nga travel.
that's pathetic.
Na nasa 10,000 kanilang overnight 10,000 centavos. So yun guys, we'll be back to you. Please tune in again sa among channel. Tune in, di man dapat tune in. Please support us on YouTube. Just a simple
Please.
subscribe. Tapos like us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. And we'll sure get back to you pag once mag-comment mo ka. Wala mag-ibig comment na rin. Ginagmay lang ko.
Any comments, guys? We
So,
are
yan.
pleased to answer.
So yun. Yun guys. Bye-bye Max. Lah. Dili may maligo sa pool. Mabaw daw. 4 feet. 4.5 feet. Kasi gina magbigo na dito sa una.
Oh.
At least we have relaxed for now. And naka-chill lang. So yun lang guys.
Ay, sorry.
Thanks
Hey
a lot.
guys. Like me on Facebook. This is my page. Janet. And I'm showing you our blog page. This one. Charan! What? We have
Ang saan na?
almost 800 followers.
Pila na to?
Ito may problema, dito.
Layo ng tingin ni Max. Ano problema Max? Hatag na sa Ginoo Diyos.